In order to preserve your physical and mental health, sleep is a crucial factor. While it's crucial to get enough sleep as well as sleep that's good enough to be useful. Because drinking a glass of milk right before bed can significantly improve the quality of the sleep you obtain. While you sleep, your brain forges new neural connections, your body has a chance to repair itself, and your memory gets better. Health problems like obesity are correlated with insufficient amounts of good sleep. Numerous mental health conditions, such as anxiety and depression, might become worse if you don't get enough sleep. Drinking a glass of milk before going to bed has been demonstrated to enhance the general quality of sleep. It used to be customary to drink a glass of milk before retiring, but studies have shown that doing so improves sleep, and the practice is now accepted by the medical establishment. Here are the medical reasons why you should always drink milk before going to bed at night. 1. Contributes to maintaining a regular sleep schedule. Tryptophan and melatonin are only two of the beneficial substances found in milk, both of which help you sleep better at night. Tryptophan is required for the synthesis of the hormone serotonin, which in turn is required for the synthesis of the hormone melatonin. Another hormone's formation is influenced by tryptophan. The preparation for sleep and regulation of the circadian rhythm, sometimes referred to as the sleep cycle, are helped by melatonin, therefore this process can be viewed as a cycle. 2. Helps sleepiness to start more quickly. The act of falling asleep is sped up when milk is drunk right before bed. According to studies, drinking milk before bed improves sleep quality overall and has an impact on how well one sleeps. People who drank milk before bed also reported feeling more rested in general. What kind of milk is best to drink just before bed? There are many different schools of thought on the best kind of milk to drink just before bed. Even though many claims that cold milk is superior, many people feel that warm milk is better to drink in the evening. Despite this, studies have revealed that the milk's temperature has no effect on how it impacts a person's ability to sleep. You can drink any kind of milk you like before going to bed.